Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a YouTube subscribe button to your website. If you're a content creator looking to grow your YouTube channel, one of the best ways to do that is by adding a subscribe button to your website. So let's get started. First head on to Google Developers YouTube area. I'll put a link to that in the description. And then here it says Google Developers. So what you have to do here, this is your channel ID. You put your channel ID and then to be showing a preview like this. Now for those of you who don't know where to get your channel ID, head on to youtube.com, click on your profile and then click on YouTube Studio. Now this is just a test channel, just for the purpose of those who don't have their YouTube channel ID yet. Head on to settings, click on channel and then advanced settings, and you scroll down and you see manage YouTube channel. So you have something like this. So this is your channel ID, copy and then you head back to our Google Developers YouTube area. So when you've added your channel ID, you can make this full as it's seen on the preview. So you also have your channel logo. You can decide to leave this at default, just this button there, but I'll use this full. And the theme, you could make this dark. Some people prefer to leave their channel follower count or subscriber count, but you can also decide not to show it. And then you come over here to copy this code, and then we head on to our WordPress admin dashboard so we can paste this code. So we head on to appearance, widgets, and then just click on this plus. Just click on this plus and search for HTML, custom HTML, and paste the code which we just copied. And decide to preview it. Alright, so let's move this to the top of our page. And we publish. Now let's head on to our website to see how it looks. Into our blog, check one of our blog posts. So you can see that at the top right corner we have our YouTube subscribe link there. So that's about the first method. But the second method is a bit exciting because you can use it to gather subscribers from videos embedded in your website, even if the videos aren't yours. So let's head back to our dashboard and then go over to plugins, add new. Then we'll search for YouTube subscribe bar. I'll install this plugin, this particular plugin, and activate it. Now, so let's scroll down to customize the settings. So here we can add our channel ID, our YouTube channel ID, which we copied. You could decide to make this subscribe to channel text color. You can give it a color, but let's leave it at the default. Now you see this text here, this is what will show on our YouTube video we embedded. This is the direction that will be given to those viewers to subscribe and save changes. So let's go and check this out in one of our blog posts. So we have to edit this post and embed a video so we can actually see what we're talking about. So let's just pick any random video from YouTube. I've said this particular video here. Alright, so click on the share and just copy. Now let's embed this particular video on our site, somewhere around here. So let's paste the video we copied. Alright, and publish or update. Let's view post. So here we have it. Let's check to see. Okay, now on our video we can see underneath, just right underneath, we have our YouTube subscribe bar there, and can see the caption that says subscribe to our YouTube channel. So this is just an easy reminder for anyone who watch a video in your blog post, regardless if the video is yours or from anyone else, to actually subscribe to your YouTube channel. And there you have it, guys. You have successfully added a YouTube subscribe button to your website. It's a small step that can make a big difference in growing your channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That's how we actually know you are getting some value. Hit the thumbs up, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Till next time, cheers.